Hello guys, welcome to the fourth episode of the How to Build a Website with Wordpress and Divi series. So last time we finished building a full homepage. However, what I don't like is the fact that it says at the bottom of the page designed by elegant themes powered by WordPress. I want this to disappear, and I also want uh, the footer I just created to appear on each and every page, which is not a case by default. So you need to go to divispace.com, divi.space I think it is, I'm not sure. Which has all sorts of plugins for Divi, and what I need is a plugin called Switch. Divi Switch. Okay, this one. So you need to buy this plugin, okay, download it, and then just go to add new, install it, and activate it. After you have finally activated it, go to Divi Switch, okay, navigate to the footer section, and it says hide bottom footer. This is going to remove the bottom footer, the gray bar at the bottom. Okay, just activate it. Okay, it saves automatically, and now it should be gone. Okay, no footer again. Okay, now the problem we get is we would like to have the footer we have on the home page on each and every page. Okay, right now is not the case. So what we have to do is first let's go to open the visual builder again. Okay, navigate to the section. Okay, just click on the three vertical dots, okay, and just click save to library. And this feature of Divi is going to save this section, and you will be able to use it later on. So after you saved it, just click the delete icon, okay, the trash icon. Just make sure you save, okay. And then please do exit the visual builder. Okay, if you search how to replace Divi default footer with footer you have saved in this section, you'll get all sort of tutorials. First, please make sure you have a backup in case you mess up something. Okay, just use the backup plugin we used so far in this tutorial series. Okay, right now we need to somehow create a copy of the theme. Okay, but this is some sort of protection in case Divi has new updates. Okay, so we need to make sure we don't mess up with its system files. Okay, well, now going to install a new theme. Okay, just go to add new in the plugin section and type child theme. Okay, so it's this one, child theme configurator. Just tap install. When it's done, click activate, and this is somehow going to clone our theme, just to as a precaution measure. Okay, now go to themes, Okay, sorry, not the themes. We haven't cloned the themes already to the tool section and to child themes. Okay, just hit the analyze button. Make sure the um, drop down menu is set to Divi. If we've got an error, just ignore it for now. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page and at the ninth step, just click create new child theme. Okay, so this is going to actually clone our theme. Now, please do navigate to the file section, okay, and make sure you tick this box, footer PHP. This is going to add this file to our child theme, to our clone of the theme we're having. If you need to make sure you're not going uh, mm, to to know which theme is the one you just created, just make sure you add an image to it. Okay. I think that's about it. No save button whatsoever. Now go to the appearance section. You should see a new theme. Okay, just click activate. Okay, Rose. I don't know how it's spelled. Okay, if you go on this page and you search for replace default footer, okay, it's going to show you step by step what to do. Okay, so what we must do right now is going to go to theme editor. Okay, just select the child theme. Okay, and tap on the footer.php. Remember, the file was just added to this clone. Okay, now scroll down to the where you see a footer id qual main.footer. Okay, just make some space. Okay, and what we have to do right now is going to do the Divi library. Okay, where we're going to see the footer, the section we just saved. Okay, the footer we have. Just click the edit button, and after post you are going to see a number. Okay, as it says in this tutorial. Okay, you have to somehow embed this code. Okay, PHP echo do shortcode etp whatever global module equal, and it has a number. Okay, you need to copy this snippet. Okay, I think you may download it. Okay, yeah, it says rich text format file, and just replace the text you'll get in this rich text format file with the ID your section has. Okay, after that just paste this code in here like this. Make sure you have an update. Okay, if you mess something up your website is going to break. Okay, and you'll have some problems. Just hit update file. Okay, and right now we hopefully we're going to see the footer on each and every page automatically. Okay, let's see. Okay, here's my footer. Okay, in case your footer has a white color, okay, just go to the library again. Okay, make sure you click the settings section, go to advanced, to CSS. Okay, and in the main element section, just write background color, okay, and just click black, okay, and save it. Update file, okay. Now let's check if we're seeing this photo on the blog page. Okay, just click my blog. Okay, it's loading. Scroll down. Okay, so we have our photo. Whenever you feel you need to update your footer, just go to this section, Divi library, and just update it however you feel. Okay. Okay, guys. So that was for this episode. See you in the next one. Bye bye.